Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3-set info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily enable MPRT on your MSI G242L. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings of your monitor. As you guys can see my hand on the right side of the screen, almost at the bottom. Here we will have the red button that we need to click. Now let's go over to the professional settings, and here we will have the MPRT. So as you guys can see, enabling it will affect our adaptive sync, brightness, HDCR, response time, and AI vision. So whenever I enable it, my screen will just go blank, and then it will automatically enable back again. As you guys can see, now it's enabled, and I've mentioned this in a video before that MPRT actually looks very bad. And here, as you guys can see, after we disable it, now it will look much better in the camera and much better in real life. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.